guys, welcome back to High Revs. We're here in upstate New York where it's snowy, as you can see. It's not the best weather, but we got the Infiniti QX60 right here. And we're gonna test it out on the snow. We're gonna bring it to a little off-road spot with a bunch of snow, like a lot of snow. Well, hopefully there's a lot of snow. And we'll go for it. We'll test it out.
We'll see how the CVT transmission works. Yeah. This puppy got a CVT.
I never knew that.
That's crazy, right? Well, I mean, same thing as a Nissan Pathfinder. Alright. We're heading off to this off-road place. Yep. Always turn your turn signals. Alright. We're clear. You can make the left. Sorry. Alright. Look at this. Nice screen because it's dark. Oh.
Yo, that shit, is it on
CVT.
Eco?
It's on Eco.
Oh, okay.
It's a really good motor, this car.
Oh, there's no. Oh, I hope there might not be snow there, guys.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's snow. Oh, let's go. It's crazy, bro. I feel like we're gonna get stuck right now. I'm actually scared. Shit, bro. I never drove in snow, bro.
Damn,
oh,
bro.
Shit.
Damn.
Oh shit.
So,
yo, that's it? Is that easy?
that's it. Oh, or in.
Yo, we're sliding. I just hit the brake.
You're pushing the brake, it's sliding, yeah.
Shit. Oh my god. You right here?
Yeah.
How should I do this? Like this.
Careful.
I'm gonna get stuck. Oh shit.
Okay.
I can't do this. I have to drive over there. We might not.
Hold on, stop right here, stop right here.
Stop. Okay, guys, we switched the seats. We're gonna let the pro do his job.
Yeah.
Got Lawrence in the wheel.
Alright, so we're gonna quickly put our foot on the brake, and then we're gonna put our foot on the gas.
Oh, so you're launching it?
We're gonna do a snow launch. Let's see traction, you know? Let's keep in the snow.
Okay, I'm gonna record the road.
Foot on the gas.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah, we're definitely going sideways. Oh, traction control was on the whole entire time.
Turn it off.
Pretty crazy.
Turn off traction control next time.
Traction control is pretty bananas, right? So let's quickly try it again. But this time we're gonna be in a little old sport mode.
You doing this in sport? In the snow?
In the snow, in sport. Let's see what we can get.
This is crazy. It's in a sport here. I got you guys.
Got it. And keep in mind, we're doing this all in comfort and very nice, and you know. And then we're gonna hit
let's
emergency brake, and then we're gonna hit emergency brake.
Okay.
We're in sport. Ready? Oh, that's it.
Oh,
that's
it's it. What the hell?
Traction control lost.
It even says it's lost on the screen.
And now full emergency brake. That's it.
Yo, Yo, my belt just tightened up.
And the seat.
My seatbelt just tightened up.
Really crazy. Really cool though.
Yo, turn off sport, bro. This is mad scary.
We're good. That's it. All right, guys. How did you enjoy that video? Really crazy Infiniti. If you want, we can show you a quick outside look at it. Huh?
Yeah, let's do that actually. Let's do that. Okay, guys. So now I'm outside the car. He's gonna launch it, and you guys are gonna see the tires. He's gonna be in sport, and let's see what happens with the car.
All right, guys. Put on the brake all the way down. Drive.
Oh. And as you guys see, he just stopped, and it was still going. This is really fun. This is so fun.
Guys, you see how it looks from the outside? Pretty crazy, right? So, you know, this is the 2017 Infiniti QX60, 2018-2017. Really cool car. Thank you, and come again next time.